Right, then the next question, they want you to find the other quartiles. That's quartile 1 and quartile 3. Now we do that in exactly the same way. Well, actually they just want the interquartile range, but to find that, write that down, the interquartile range is when you take Q3 and you subtract Q1 from it. That's the interquartile range. So we have to find Q1 and Q3. And the way we do that is, there's different ways. I prefer to apply the same formula to every half of the data. So I look at these data values and say, how many values do I have before my median now? Well, that's the 8th one, so there's 7 values. So the position of Q1 is 7 plus 1 over 2, that's 8 over 2, that's the 4th value. So now I'm first going to say here, okay, let's do it on the side here. Q1 is let's go, position of Q1 is 7 plus 1 over 2, that's the 4th value, right? And therefore Q1 is 1, 2, 3, 4th value there. So I'm going to write that there is my Q1. Now the Q3 is the same thing but from the other side. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That value there is my Q3. You'll notice that these quartiles do exactly what they're supposed to. There's 3 values before Q1, 3 values between Q1 and Q2, 3 values between those two, and 3 values at the end. Alright? So it splits the data into quarters. So Q1 is 32 points, and then Q3 is equal to 46 points. Brings us back to our interquartile range, which is 46 minus 32, which is just simply 14 points. Alright? So our interquartile range is 14 points. That means the middle 50%, that's what the interquartile range tells us. The middle 50% of the team scored between 46 and 32, in that gap of 14 points.